Hi friends, welcome to Botany, the language of plants, and today's topic is inflorescence. We know that inflorescence means flower arrangement. Inflorescence are three types. First, inflorescence racemose, cymose, and a special type. In this video, I am going to discuss about racemose inflorescence. We know from two characters we can distinguish or identify a racemose inflorescence. These are: inflorescence never contain any terminal flower. So, terminal flower absent. It means from a rachis always two flower has developed and make a branch like structure. So their terminal flower absent. And another important character is flower always developed in acropetal manner. So flower developed as a acropetal arrangement or manner. Here acropetally means flower developed from base to apex. So obviously if flower originate from base to apex, then lower region contain old flower and gradually upper region contain young flower. So this is two main character we always get in racemose type of inflorescence. Now more or less 13 types of inflorescence present under the racemose inflorescence. So first is raceme. In raceme, axis always single and unbranched, and it is long. And like racemose, here flower developed as a acropetal manner and terminal flower absent. So this is about raceme. Second inflorescence is panicle. We know panicle means compound raceme. So in raceme, flower developed from a single axis or rachis, and in case of panicle, flower developed as a raceme, but it make a branch like structure. So this is a main axis, and from this axis many branch produce in acropetally, and then this branch contain flowers acropetally arrangement. Okay, acropetal arrangement. So this is about panicle or compound raceme. In case of raceme, raceme contain a single axis or single rachis, but in case of panicle, our main axis produce, and then this main axis contain lots of rachis which arrange in acropetally, and then this rachis contain flowers like raceme arrangement. So this is called panicle inflorescence. Okay, next inflorescence is spike. Spike also a racemose type inflorescence. So here flowers developed from base to apex. All things are same as raceme or racemose, but the only difference is flowers are sessile. So here flower sessile, flower arranged in acropetally, and stalked not present in this case. And in case of raceme, flower contain stalked, but in case of spike, flowers are sessile. This is the main difference between raceme and spike. Otherwise everything is similar. So here stalked absent. Number 3, Spadix. In Spadix, all things are same like raceme or racemose. All racemose character found in Spadix except it contain a fleshy stalk, rachis of Spadix fleshy. Within this fleshy rachis, flower arranged in acropetally. And another important point regarding Spadix is all inflorescence covered by a spathe. So all flower covered by membranous structure, and which is called spathe. So this is about Spadix. Next is Quorum. In Quorum type inflorescence, it also contain a long rachis. Flowers are also maintain the acropetal manner, but here the only difference is flower maintain the same label. So if flower maintain a same label, then obviously the flower stalks should be different in size. So here first and old flower contain large stalk, and the youngest flower contain smallest stalk. And here, so this is about Quorum. So here the only difference is stalked size and flower contain a same label, maintain a same label. Similarly, in compound Quorum, we know that branch of Quorums like Inflorescence originate from a peduncle. So here this is a peduncle, and from it many rachis originate in corymbose manner, and all rachis contain again corymbose flower. So this is about compound Quorum. Next is umbel. Umbel type racemose inflorescence also contain flowers in same label, but here the main difference is rachis is condensed and flower developed on U-shaped stalk. So like Quorum, here also first and old flower contained large stalk and flower arranged in centripetally. Means center flowers are younger than the peripheral flower. So now is compound umbel. So here also same, from main axis or peduncle many umbel like rachis develop, and they contain again umbel like flower. So this is compound umbel. Here also all flower maintain a same level. Next inflorescence is catkin. Like spike, catkin also contain sessile flower. But here the only difference is within drooping rachis, many unisexual developed in a acropetal manner. So here also terminal flowers are young and base contain oldest flower. So this is about catkin. Next is capitate. Capitate inflorescence always produce a globose-like structure. So here also condensed rachis present like umbel and flower developed all over from it and maintain a same label like Quorum, and many flower also sessile, not stalked, okay, originate from these rachis. Now next type inflorescence is capitulum. In this type inflorescence, rachis act as a receptacle. So here rachis fleshy and flat, and here two types flower developed in this case of inflorescence. Flower developed from centripetally, means from center to peripheral. In central region, bisexual flowers are present. So these flowers are bisexual, and peripheral region contain sterile or female flower, and its structure ligulate type. This female or sterile flower are called ray florets, and all flowers are covered by scaly bracteole or bracts. So this is about capitulum. Next type inflorescence is spikelet. Spikelet inflorescence contain two glumes. These are called first glume and second glume. After that, lemma present. This is also called third glume. Then two lodicle present, and then androecium and gynoecium present, and this androecium and gynoecium covered by a bract which present opposite to lemma or third glume, known as pellia. So this is about spikelet inflorescence. It looks like this. So total 3 glumes and 1 pellia present, and third glume also called lemma. So this is about spikelet inflorescence. I forget to discuss about it. Next type is compound spike. So here, like spike, flowers are sessile and arrange is acropetally, and it is compound spike. So here within a main axis rachis originate and which contain sessile flowers, and flower arrange in acropetally or acropetal manner. So this is about compound spike. Next is compound Spadix. In this case, like Spadix, rachis are flat, fleshy and contain flowers, but within a axis or main axis, many rachis present. All rachis contain flowers. Flowers arrange in acropetally, and all flowers are covered by a membranous bract. So this is about compound Spadix inflorescence. If you like this video, then press like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notification, and also share it. And thank you for watching this video.